Hey guys, I'm in Ventura. I just finished working with Josh. We did a photo shoot here closer to the beach. Ideally, I wanted to shoot in the sun, but it turns out the weather was completely insane. We had super fog, sun, and then we had just overcast, no light at all. Yesterday, I actually went out and grabbed a couple things at Zara for him. Whatever's in right now. I got a couple pieces that he loved, and I think it looked really good with him and with the background. I think it fit perfectly.
I already had a lot of the pieces to fit the mood board, but I needed a couple more to complete the looks. This is the mood board that I put together, and I wanted to stay pretty close to it.
We started around here, and I shot him all around this area. Close-ups, full body, 3/4. We wanted a sky like that, but that sky was gone. It wasn't showing anything, which is such a bummer. Yes, love that. Looking away is great. This side, so kind of like this. Yeah, but you're gonna turn more this way. A bigger stance. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, yeah, like that. I'm gonna shoot from down here too. The sky is actually looking really nice right now. Like, you know, you get to see a little bit of the blues and the clouds and the texture in the sky. Yeah. Oh, and it's great. Like, play with stuff around you. Yeah, that's great. All around. That's why I'm saying, like, just keep moving, so I get like a good variety. These are fantastic. Yes. That's amazing. Look out. Good job. No, sit up higher and then pull your collar up.
Like this up?
Yeah. Yeah. So get closer to those. Be careful not to hurt yourself, because I want to get some of those behind you. Like, just sit in a position that you're semi, yes, there you go. Lift up the color as much as it goes. There you go. Great. All right, so I'm really close to you now. All right, chin up a little, right there. Yes, right there. Now, the only thing is, see how your hand is like this? Do it in a way that your fingers are more towards me. This way, like this. There you go, yeah. All right, yes, yes. Cute. Okay, come over here. I'm gonna do similar, but I'm gonna get closer to you. I prefer sunny days. I've mentioned this before. I like the variety that you can get with full sun, depending on where you place your subject. On an overcast day, the light's super even, not my favorite. So with that said, I will place my settings in each of the photos, so you're gonna see the range that I shot. And I hope that helps.